Alright guys, so we're out here training and decided to take a quick break for lunch. But before we do any of that stuff, I got to install this thing from Mountain Hatch. My good friend Steph gave me this for Christmas last year. It took us a couple months to meet up and for her to finally get this to me. And then I decided to hold off on installing it because I really wanted to wait until I knew I was gonna break it in by cooking on it first. So we're gonna install this real quick out here on the range and then we'll make lunch. What I understand, this install should take no more than 5 minutes. Alright, so that's it for the install. Sweet. I'm gonna cut this up. Before we do that, I wanna save a little bit of time and pour some oil into this thing and then heat it up for French fries. Got Cajun seasoning for the fries here. I'll go pretty simple. I'll do salt, pepper, and then garlic powder. Alright, second batch is coming out. And then now, that first batch that I fried up is going to go back in. While this is going, this is the second fry on this batch. I'm gonna start the burgers. I'm gonna do one more fry after this, and then get it extra crispy. This patty's already smelling amazing. All right, guys. So the buns are done. Pull these off. First, second patty. We want just one slice of tomato.
Yes, sir.
Slice of tomato. So that right there is a range meal.
Oh my god. Phenomenal.
Yeah, the crunch on those fries.
Look perfect. Burgers like perfectly cooked. Small hints of pink. That's perfection.
Yeah, medium rare.
Yeah.
All right, so first bite. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.